parents, so for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we can teach our children for beginner level on recognizing alphabet according to the below. So for this activity, you're going to need two material, which is the alphabet in fact, and also any kind of material that you want to use to form the alphabet. So today I'm going to use a Play-Doh. So we are going to put the alphabet at the front of the cake, and then we are going to form the alphabet together with the cake. Or if your children have difficulty to see the visual, which is the alphabet, you can also place the alphabet down here, and then you can form the alphabet using Play-Doh on top of the alphabet, and it is easy for children to do tracing on the alphabet using Play-Doh. So next video, I'm going to show you the example on how to do it with your child. So the first example, we're going to do like this. Let's try do C. C put here. Let's form C. Or we do like this and boop. There you go, we get C. 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 And now let's try another alphabet. I want to try O. O here. Let's do on top of the alphabet. We do like this and make it round and round. Round and round. Let's put some more Play-Doh here. There you go. See? I got O. O, O, O. Let's try another alphabet too.